Okay, so we're going to do a simple chicken roulade with prosciutto wrapped around, stuffed with provolone and some wonderful parmigiano. First things first, we're going to fillet and trim and butterfly our chicken breast down the middle towards the fat part of the lobe. Let the knife do the work all the way through, and then kind of open it side to side like a book, peeling out the extra layers just to make it more thinner. Don't worry if you get some holes, because we're going to wrap it in prosciutto and just make up for those holes. So you can use some saran wrap, even 8-pounder to pound the meat, and just kind of push down and spread. Like I said, don't worry about the holes, just patch them up, and then when we roll it up, they will go away, as you can see in the end. So seasoned salt and fresh black pepper, a little smoked paprika, just to add some more depth of flavor. There we go. Then we put down our parmesan, our provolone. You could also use anything else that has a good cheese pull. Some fresh parsley just ripped apart. Alright, now we're going to roll it first and then use the prosciutto to kind of bard it. You see the hole on top? We're going to cover the hole as we roll it, so it won't even show when it's cooked and when you slice it. So put down 3 pieces of prosciutto down on your cutting board. As you can see, we're using the yellow cutting board for raw chicken. And put the hole down so you could wrap it in and hide it. And it really becomes nicely tight and wound. So this is ready. We're going to season it with some more fresh black pepper, some kosher salt, and just a little bit more of the smoked paprika. Make sure you season these well, because you don't want no bland chicky. So here we go, nice 3 ones ready to go in the oven. Look at them, so pretty. Okay, so now we're just going to take a little bit of chicken stock. You could actually add some white wine as well, and it gives you a nice little pan jus. Okay, and when you're done, you could spoon it on your plate. It really keeps things nice and moist. We're going to cover it in some plastic wrap and then some aluminum foil. This is because we don't want the aluminum foil to stick to the chicken and rip apart our nice prosciutto. So cover to 30 minutes, 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And then we're going to remove it and then let it cook without covering to get some more color. Steamy. So steamy. So now 15 more minutes, continue 400. Don't broil it because the prosciutto has a high fat content and you don't want to scorch this top. There we go, nice and golden brown, delicious. Alright, so after we let it rest about 5 minutes, we're just gonna slice it up. This is probably good for 1.5 people, or just like one large person like myself. You can see it's nicely cooked and juicy. Look how moist that is. Okay, fuego. Alright, so there's our nice little plate. This is some pilaf we made with some sauteed green beans and peanuts, as well as a little bit of simple marinara on the sauce on the bottom, and a little bit of ricotta. Let's taste this. Juicy, plump, and an easy 30-minute meal for during the week. Thanks for watching.